Happy morning, friends.
Happy morning, Manina.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
So as usual, the first question: are you all really happy, or are you all feeling happy, or are you all looking for happy, or are you all enacting happy? Are you all trying to be happy?
Today we are feeling happy.
Super. That's fantastic. Good to know that. The reason why I am asking this question is entire world, more than 98% of the people lies for the basic question, how are you? So irrespective of their position, everyone says, yes, I am fine. That is the first lie everyone says. Reason, there is a beautiful research survey has been conducted by an organization about World Happiness Index. You can see the position of India is in 139 out of 149 countries. All the neighborhood countries, being it Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, and Afghanistan, they are all much ahead of us. So, now understand the importance of being happy. First, understand where we are into the happiness index. Before going to the nation, first think of yourself. Are you really happy? Think of your family. Does your family is happy? Think of your neighborhood. Does your neighborhood is happy? Think of your community. Does your community is happy? If you start working on these aspects, definitely we can be happy and we can create happiness around us. That is the reason why we created the 6 a.m. club happiness dose, to make everyone happy by practicing a small techniques, a simple and powerful techniques where everyone can be happy and spread the happiness around them. So, let's get into some biological facts to understand what actually happiness is all about and how we can improve our happiness. So, just a 5 minutes talk, just to give a scientific background. So, because we all required to understand these biological reasons behind the happiness. Majorly, there are 4 chemicals which help us to be happy. Those are known as happiness chemicals. All these chemicals are nothing but, I think someone is writing on the screen. Sir, we'll get a time to write. Okay. Okay. So, these happiness chemicals are dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. First letters of all those chemicals acronym is DOSE. That is the reason why we name this club as happiness dose. Whenever we say dose, we require that dose. So how much is essential? That is what we call it as dose. And we require happiness dose as much as we can. So how we can improve this dose? So here we go. So the first chemical is dopamine. Dopamine is also known as reward chemical. Whenever we complete a task, whatever it might be, being it a small or a bigger task, don't bother about whether it is how much big it is. Whenever you complete it, the dopamine will generate dopamine. Being a self-care activities, yes, exactly. Most of the people think that doing something for yourself, it is a selfishness. But always I say, what are you doing? Why you are doing all these things? I say, it is for my happiness. Because many people, after knowing about me, their first question is, why you quit your job? You are earning lakhs of rupees, right? Why you are doing all these things, leaving everything and not earning anything and doing a simple like being with the kids and doing all this stuff and all that too without expecting anything. I say what? Only one thing. I am doing everything for my happiness. I am happy. Before going to bed, I say I am happy and satisfied on what I am doing. I don't bother. If I get lakhs of rupees. During that time, I donated it for a cause. I never saved anything, even a penny, I never saved it. I did everything for society because that is how I would be happy. That's what I did it. And eating a food, whatever you like it, eat the food which you like it. Don't eat the food which you get it. Okay, there is a difference between eating a food which you get it and eating a food which you like it. Hope you all got it, right? So then only you will be happy. So you have a right to choose your own food, whatever you like it, and celebrate each and every moment. Whenever you accomplish something, celebrate it. Yes, it's time to celebrate everything. And coming to the second chemical, it is the oxytocin. This is also known as love hormone. So if you have a pet with you, play with it, play with your pet. If you have kids around you or in your family, play with them. And if you have senior citizens or if you want to hold someone, hold their hand. If you want to hug someone, hug them and give a compliment to them. It will help you to improve your oxytocin, the love hormone. And coming to the third one, serotonin, the mood stabilizer. Most of the people have a myth that only women has the mood swings, but this is the 100% myth because comparing to the woman, men has a lot of mood swings, but they'll never show it up. Okay, so remember, everyone has the mood swings. It doesn't mean only women has the mood swings. If you want to avoid those mood swings and to be happy, you can do meditation, running, walking, cycling, or walking in nature. Walking in nature is a beautiful therapeutic approach, and when you are walking in a nature, don't use a slippers. This is one of the important point. So especially in the beach, that is in fact more therapeutic approach. It's actually acupressure. So it activates your whole body. And exposure to the sun, at least for half an hour to 1 hour. Every day, go and sit or stand or walk in a sunlight. If you do it early morning, during the sunrise, or evening, during the sunset, it is really a good thing. Not in the noon times or a heavy sun. So don't do such things. So you will get a what's that, sunstroke. Okay. And finally, it's an endorphin, the painkiller. Yes, most of the people feel that, so I have a lot of pains, I need to take some medicine. Friends, remember, apart from medicine, there are many things which will act as painkillers, like laughing exercise. There is a beautiful exercise which we are going to do at the end of this session. Okay, and there are healthy oils. There are many healthy oils which you need to consume along with the food. Every day you need to consume. So usually we used to take either a palm oil or a coconut oil, but there are some healthy oils which you need to consume based on your diet, so your body levels. You need to check with your family doctor. So which oil works out, because there are some fatty oils unknowingly we will be using, like fatty oils. Even the palm oil is not good for us. So check with your family doctor, and based on your health issues, they'll be suggesting you what kind of oils that you can use. So that consume it. That's very, very essential. And watch a comedy show. Daily make sure you watch some comedy show. Being it a Tom and Jerry or a Charlie Chaplin or Siripoli, there are many programs in Tamil, right? Aditya Fun or Siri Siri. There are many programs in channels. Nowadays, we have a specific channel for a comedy also. And if possible, eat dark chocolate, because it's very rare to get a original dark chocolates in India, because there are many things. So I don't recommend people to eat dark chocolates here in India, because I don't think we are getting a original dark chocolates here. But in out of India, the people, because they, what is that, they grow the coke. So the chocolate cokes, and they prepare the dark chocolate, raw dark, like original dark chocolates. That is the reason why those who comes from abroad, the people they will say, bring the chocolates. If you can see the people who come from US or UK, whatever the foreign countries, they bring chocolates more. Those are original dark chocolates. Whatever we get it here, that's not actually original ones. Those are like that will harm our body, especially sugar patients are not supposed to eat the chocolates which we get here, including our. There are many brands. I don't want to name it here. So do exercise. This is very very essential. So friends, let's without delaying much. So after 5 minutes of biggest theory, so let's get into action. So are you all ready for the smiley challenge? Yes. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of a beautiful moment of yesterday. Think of happiest moment which happened yesterday. Think of everything around you. Recollect what are all the things you did during that moment. Recollect what are all the things you can visualize during that moment. Recollect what are all the sounds you can hear during that moment. Recollect what are all the feelings or touch you can feel during that moment. Recollect what your mind says during that moment. Recollect what your thought says. Recollect how you are feeling during that moment. Recollect each and every moment, how you are enjoying that happiest moment. Now, slowly exhale and again inhale deeply and exhale. Get relaxed. Start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Now you can see a white canvas on your screen. Just click on the screen. You can see a pen or pencil on the bottom left. You can pick it, choose whatever the color you wish to. Draw a beautiful smiley which represents your happiness, the happy moment which you recollected just now. So choose any place. Don't draw it on another one's smiley. Okay, if someone is drawing, so leave it or erase it. Let them draw and don't draw it on another ones. Okay, so go ahead and draw your beautiful smiley. The time for you. I see Gokul is drawing, Nanda Kumar sir is drawing, Rajalakshmi ma'am is drawing, Dhanulakshmi ma'am drawing, Lakshmi Narayanan sir is drawing, Yamini is drawing. Who else? Vijayalakshmi ma'am is drawing. Who else is missing? Yes, everyone is drawing. Good, 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 good. Superb, superb. That's fantastic. Once you finish drawing, you can raise your hand so that we'll know you are done with the drawing. So once everyone raises your hands, then we will go to our next exercise. Yeah, I see Gokul and Yamni raise their hands. They're done with the drawing, and we are waiting for others to finish their drawing. Superb. Nandakumar sir finished his drawing. And now we are waiting for others. Yeah, Vijayalakshmi ma'am has finished her drawing. Now we are waiting for Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Rajalakshmi ma'am, and Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, drawing முடிச்சிட்டீங்க அதுக்குள்ள erase பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்றது தெரியலையா? ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ்ல இருக்கும். When you click on reactions, you can see a hand raise. Okay. Fine then. And just fantastic. Good, good, good. Lakshmi ma'am and Lakshmi Narayanan sir, they are still doing it. Good, good, good. Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Let us move on to our next exercise. Okay. Sit in a comfortable position. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of one task which you want to accomplish today. One task which will make you so happy. You want to do that task to be happy, whatever it might be. Being it a personal task, being it a professional task, being it a family task, whatever it is. Think of one task which you want to do. Think of what are all the things required to accomplish that task. Think of what are all the things who are all involved to do that task. Think how you feel if you accomplish that task. Think what are all the things that your mind says to accomplish that task. Think of everything you want to do to finish the task. Think of everything which help you to finish the task. Now exhale. Once again, inhale. Slowly, deeply and normally. And exhale. Now slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face and start blinking your eyes and look at the screen. See, there would be your name. So you can zoom the screen, and if you are into mobile, zoom it and take only your box. It is like your border. Okay, you are allowed to draw in your border only. So whatever you felt, the happiest moment of the day, you go ahead and draw. Don't bother whether you are a good artist or not. Whatever your mind says, go ahead and do it. You can do. So always think that you can do. Can do attitude is very, very essential. Okay, just pick whatever the color you required. It doesn't mean only one color is required. So you can take any color. You can make a colorful drawing. Okay. So whenever your name comes, go ahead and start drawing it. Rajalakshmi ma'am, Dhanulakshmi ma'am, Gokul. You can start drawing. Dhanulakshmi ma'am. Rajalakshmi ma'am, are you there?
சார் பேர் வரல சார்.
இல்ல முதல்ல ஸ்கிரீன்
கீழ.
மேல டச் பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் பென் தெரியும். லெஃப்ட்ல தெரியும்.
இல்ல பேர் அடியில இருக்கு சார், அந்த கீழ பார்டர்ல.
ஆமா, ஜூம் பண்ணுங்க.
கலர்ல இருக்கு.
ரெண்டு விரல வச்சு ஜூம் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே, thank you.
Rajalakshmi ma'am, are you there?
சார் எனக்கு அந்த எரேசர் டச் பண்ணேன், அது திருப்பி டிராயிங் போடுறப்போ வர மாட்டேனுது சார். எரேசர் எப்படி
திரும்பி இது பண்ணிட்டு திரும்பி ஸ்கிரீன் டச் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ஸ்கிரீன் டச் பண்ணுங்க. இப்ப திரும்பி ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
Since childhood, we've been used to be happy whenever we see a green color tick mark for us. So I'm giving you a green color tick mark so that you can be happy. So early morning. So see, there is a green tick mark on your name. And I'm loving each and every one of your drawings. I'm sharing my love to all your drawings. You can see a beautiful heart symbol in front of your names, and you are the star performers of the day. All your drawings are awesome. You are the best. You are the great. You can see a golden star next to your name. You are the stars. See, there is a beautiful golden stars next to your names. You have accomplished it. Yes, these are all like biggest credits for you people. It's good to see. So I see now Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Rajalakshmi ma'am, and Dhanalakshmi ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am still doing it. Good, good, good. That's fantastic. Yes, yes, superb. Now everyone done with the drawing. So now you had something in your mind and you represented something. Let us see how others are perceiving about your drawing. So Gokul sir, so what you can observe from Yamini's drawing?
A beautiful hibiscus flower like remains to be fresh for everywhere.
Wow, fantastic. Yamini, what you can observe from Nandakumar sir drawing?
Now he's watering plants and beautiful fruits are coming out of the plant. Yeah.
That's fantastic. Nandakumar sir,
Yes, sir. It's like a jungle with a lot of trees, and it's raining, and the beautiful birds are flying on top. So something like that. It is so nice of seeing. Sir.
that's fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Vijayalakshmi ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi Narayanan sir drawing. What you observe from there?
It's
Hello.
a rainy
Okay, good.
goat, huh? It maybe
Yes.
goat
Okay, Lakshmi Narayanan sir.
Yes, sir.
traveling by boat.
Lakshmi
மேடம்
Narayanan
வந்து
sir.
குளத்துல தாமரை லோட்டஸ்
Rajalakshmi ma'am. Rajalakshmi ma'am.
Sir.
Okay, super.
சார்
Rajalakshmi ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க சார்
Dhanalakshmi ma'am ஓட drawing.
தனலட்சுமி மேடம் ஒரு குழந்தை வந்து டம்ளர்ல தண்ணி குடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குதுங்க சார்.
Superb, superb, fantastic. Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Gokul
sir.
sir ஓட drawing. நான் பாயிண்டர் காமிச்சிருக்கேன்.
வாத்து நிக்குது.
Hey. Good. That's
Butterfly
fantastic.
நிக்குது.
Superb. So, the purpose of this exercise. So, always we think something in our mind. Always we do something in our mind. So, நம்ம நினைச்சது ஒண்ணு, மனசுக்குள்ள feel பண்றது ஒண்ணு, செய்யறது ஒண்ணு. Right? That is how we will be doing because our mind keeps on changing. That's how our thoughts will be. So our beliefs are different, feelings are different, and actions are different. And second thing, we always don't bother about what we have or what we think. We always bother what others perceive about us. Just for an example, if I draw a 6 on the floor, if you look at from this end, it is always 6. But the opposite person who is standing in front of you, for them it looks like 9. They always says, no, it's 9, you are wrong. And you always says, no, it is a 6, you are wrong. Unless you go to their position or they come to your position, no one realizes what actually another one's perception. So don't bother about other one's perception. Always focus on what you think and what you feel and what you act on your life, because it is essential for you to work on your own happiness, not about others. Don't live for others, live for yourself. If you are happy, you can make everyone happy. Don't always say, I'm making all these things for others' happiness. No, that will never work out. So try to work on your happiness. Automatically that will create a happiness around us. Okay, thank you. So hope you like this exercise. So let's get into our next exercises. This is a self appraisal. Yes. Most of the people says, I'm doing a lot of great things, but no one is appreciating me. When you know that you are doing a great things, why you need to bother about others to appreciate you? Start appreciating yourself because you are the best and you are the greatest person in this world. No one else is supposed to recognize your efforts. You know what you are doing. If you know all the actions towards your goal are in a right path, then no need to bother. Go ahead and do it. So start appreciating each and everything and each and everyone. Learn the art of appreciating others. So before learning the art of appreciating others, start learning how to appreciate yourself. Every day when you wake up, do this self-appraisal. Before going to bed, do this self-appraisal. And keep on saying, I'm the best and I'm the great. Don't forget, because each and every one of us is the best and greatest person in this world. So let's do a self-appraisal. Let's take our left hand, keep it on our right shoulder. Take our right hand. Come on, say, shabash, 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 shabash. Once again, shabash, 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 shabash. Once more, shabash, 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 shabash. So this is very, very essential. And the next exercise is gratitude exercise. Gratitude should be the part of everyone's attitude. We need to thank everything and everyone who are making us happy right away, right now. We are able to do this exercises just because of the Zoom and the mobile or PC or laptop. Let's thank them. Whenever you thank someone, use the words thank you, not just thank. When you say thanks, it is for anonymous. When you say thank you, you are representing someone whom you want to thank. So always use the phrase thank you rather than thanks. Let's do a thank you exercise, gratitude exercise. Wide open your hands. Always thank them unconditionally. Open your hands, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of everything and everyone who made you happy. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, chain. Now, slowly release your hands and start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Now, it's time for self-hugging. Yes, whenever you want to relax all your mental stress, whenever you want to get relief, you need to practice this self-hug. Take a long and deep breath, wide open your hands, raise your head up, and slowly exhale and hug yourself where your right hand is on top. Hug yourself with a warm hug. Feel the essence of love. Make sure each and every cell of your body feeling yourself hug. And again, slowly inhale, raise your head up and wide open your hands. And slowly exhale and hug yourself. The warm hug where your left hand is on top. Feel the essence of self-hug in each and every body cell. Again, inhale. Raise your head up. Wide open your hands and slowly exhale and make sure your right hand is on top. Feel the warm hug, feel the love and care yourself. Love yourself. And slowly inhale and wide open your hand. Inhale, head up. And slowly exhale and hug yourself where your left hand is on top. And feel the warm hug, love and care yourself. And slowly relax. Release your hands and relax. Now, choose any of the tasks, happy task of the day, being it eating, watching TV, listening to music, cooking, doing your work, or whatever it might be, doing your artistic skills, whatever it might be, do it and accomplish it immediately after this session. Okay? Now it's time for our energetic laughing exercise. See how our love symbol is laughing. There is a beautiful difference between a smile and laugh. A smile ends with only the lips and raising the cheeks. But when you laugh, you're wide opening your mouth and showing your teeth. Okay? Let's learn the laughing alphabet first and then we'll sing a song. Ready? Start. Ah. Ha ha. E e. He. Oh oh. Oh oh. E e. He he. I. Oh oh. Oh oh. Ow. Oh. Aha. Ha. Okay, now it's time to sing a laughing song. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes,
Let's sing the song. Okay, with the beautiful facial expressions and the beautiful body gestures, body movements. Ready, start. Aha, ha, 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 ha. He, 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 he. Ho, 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 ho. He, 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 he. Ha, hi, ha, hi, ha, hi, hi. Ho, 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 ho. Ha, how, ha, how, ha, how. Hum, ha, 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 hum, ha, 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 ha. So, raise your hands up and say, ha, 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 ha.